Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Jeneline G. Pianyar. I am 37 years old. I am married. I have three kids, one boy and two girls. I am a high school graduate. I'm from the Philippines. Before, I work as a maid in Manila. I do all household chores, cleaning, washing clothes, and ironing. I take good care also a newborn baby. Before pandemic, I am a vendor also. I sell sweet foods and fruits at the bus terminal. Then, when pandemic hits all around the world, I decide to go abroad in Kuwait as a domestic helper. I take good care two old person and one granddaughter. I do vacuuming, cleaning the garden, washing clothes and ironing. Everything that my employer commands me to do, I know a little bit of cooking Arabic foods. I am honest, industrious, trustworthy, and patient. I will love your children same as mine. I will going to take good care of them. To my future employer, I am happy to serve you. I will do my very best to fulfill my duties as a domestic helper. Thank you.